Identifying unknown materials can be difficult, but we have a whole range of tests which allow us to find out more about the unknown. This is an unknown white powder, X. We use a flame test to identify what this substance could contain. The flame test shows a yellow flame, so it must contain sodium ions. The heat excites electrons which give off the energy as light, in this case yellow. Only sodium makes this type of yellow flame. Let us make a solution of X and add silver nitrate solution with a little nitric acid. A pale yellow precipitate forms, so we conclude that X must contain iodide ions. X therefore must be sodium iodide, which is insoluble. Insoluble silver iodide has a pale, distinctive yellow colour. Here is a white powder Y. Let's make it into a solution. When sodium hydroxide is added, damp pink litmus turns blue. Y must therefore contain ammonium ions. The alkali forces the ammonium ions to turn into ammonia gas, which is the only alkaline gas you meet, and which turns pink litmus blue. Let us add silver nitrate solution with a little nitric acid. A white precipitate forms, so we conclude that Y contains chloride ions. Only chloride ions with silver ions form insoluble silver chloride, a white solid. So our white powder Y must be ammonium chloride. Powder Z is blue. If we make it into a solution, and then add sodium hydroxide solution, a pale blue precipitate is created. So Z must contain copper ions. No other substance looks like the blue solid made, copper hydroxide. Here is some more of solution Z. When acidified barium chloride is added, a white precipitate forms. The white precipitate is insoluble barium sulfate. Therefore, this solution Z must contain sulfate ions. which means that Z must be copper sulfate.